Okay, it's about the 28th of March 2018, and I just thought I'd show you around my little caravan now that I've got the drawers in, cupboards in with the latches. I just used the old latches, but I put some gold paint on them. I think they look quite good. And I was going to use plywood and put new doors, but I took the old doors and I simply painted them and rounded the edges because these were a bit scuffed and rough and so forth. I've got the curtains in, but not properly. These are the back curtains that I was waiting for. So I've just got to put the string them in properly, put the rails in, fix them properly. Same with these, the rails are just kind of hanging there, but I'll put them in properly and that'll look a lot tidier. So yeah, I'm really quite pleased with everything. There's a view of my cupboards. So everything's sort of tidy and everything's operational, and the cat's very happy. He's sitting in my seat. I have to move him and put him in there when I'm reading my Bible. That's Leon the lion, little rascal. And there's another view of my mirror that I've just installed. Someone gave me the mirror, but the frame was just a picture frame. So I cut the mirror down to size, or got Jim to cut it down to size and fit it. We fitted it in that frame, and I've screwed it in here. So I'm real pleased. I can actually see what I look like in the morning and give myself a hairbrush and she'll be right. So yeah, place is operational. The sun is shining and I'm a happy camper. So thank you, Lord. I'm really, really pleased.